It's Tuesday, January the 24th. I haven't did many videos because I've been working a part-time job, but I do have the driver's side of Pearl painted. Still got to put the chrome trim and stuff like that on there, but the driver's side is painted. But today I'm going to be working on this. This is the emblem for Christine out there. I only have one, and I found one set of these emblems on eBay for $999. So I'm gonna try to make some. But first I'm gonna make this emblem here for Pearl that's broke, so it won't matter if I mess it up. So I'm gonna try this just to make it. Got mold making kit from Hobby Lobby and amazing clear coat casting. So I'm gonna make my box to pour this in, but I'm gonna figure it out with this before I do this emblem, so I won't mess nothing up on this. Okay, let's get started. Alright, I got the box made for it. Got it set in the box. Now you gotta mix this here half and half, then pour it in. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing everything up. Gotta make equal parts of each thing. I'm gonna put it in my mixing cup. Got my mixing stick, and I'm ready to pour. Let's see. This is Craft Time 101. Haven't done this before, but I'm gonna try it. That's one part. Well, half a part. With the red. Alright, that's the red. Says you got 6 minutes to work with it. White, another white. Mix this up. I say I try not to make bubbles in the mix. And just pour in. That's a high dollar emblem just to be trying. I scratched the idea of trying to make the special deluxe emblem because I didn't want to use all my stuff up. Now they say let it sit for 30 minutes. Okay, got the back piece off. Now just gotta ease this out. Wow, there it is. Got my mold for my emblem. Let's see. Yeah, and it picked up a pretty good bit of detail. Now it says wait, let's see, 24 hours for the fully cure. But I got that for the emblem, and I pour it, and that's a good guide to where I need to put my pins. Alright, let it fully cure. Alright, it's Wednesday. The molding had 24 hours to dry. So now I'm going to use this 2-part clear coating and casting resin. Get it from Hobby Lobby, $23.99. So I'll mix up my resin and make a pour and see what happens. Now I just got to mix it up. I've got a little full. Hope it flows. Yeah, because it's thick. Now I hope I mixed up enough. Alright, let's pour it. Stop right there, let it start filling up. Well, that's full enough. Pour some in there just to yeah, it looks pretty full. Alright, just gotta let it dry and see what happens. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. Trying to ease it out. Got one little side won't be stubborn. Hey, it got a lot of the detail. Look at there. That looks pretty good. Now I just got to clean up the edges. Get it back. Yeah, that's good. Clean the edges. Drill it and tap it. Because I'm going to use number 6 screws to put it back on the car with, but I'm real tickled with that. Sure do beat it's $999. It's got a little bit of bubbles in it, but it's smooth. Once I paint it, it'll all cover up. Now that I got it all sanded down, got my studs in there, mounted on the car, and spray a little bit of silver base just to get it all one shade. So do some silver before I put the gold. Airbrush a little bit on at a time. And I'll come back with some gold. Now, add a little bit of gold. Just little light layers at a time. Okay, here is the finished product.